Close your eyes for a second and imagine this. You understand everything in English videos. You know many words. You studied grammar. But when someone asks you a simple question, your mind stops. You search for the right sentence. Seconds feel long. You answer with only one word, or you stay silent. This is not lack of knowledge. This is hesitation. Today, we are going to train something more important than vocabulary. We will train reaction. I will speak slowly. You listen and repeat with me. This is shadowing. Learning by doing, not by thinking. Take a comfortable breath. Let's start. Part 1. Speaking starts before readiness. Many learners wait for a moment when they feel prepared. That moment rarely comes. Your brain wants certainty before action. But language grows through action before certainty. Try something simple. Say one short sentence right now. I am practicing English. Not perfect, not fast, just real. When you speak before feeling ready, your brain learns a powerful lesson. Nothing bad happened. Fear loses strength after evidence. A student named Daniel worked in a hotel. He understood guests, but he avoided conversation. One day he decided to greet every guest first. Only good evening. No conversation. Just that. After a week, guests started replying and asking questions. Without planning, he answered naturally. He didn't become brave first. He became brave because he acted. Confidence follows action. Part 2. Listening teaches speaking speed. Many people listen passively. Sound enters and leaves. Active listening is different. You listen like a musician listens to rhythm. Notice how sentences connect. Notice where the speaker pauses. Notice which words are stressed. Your brain memorizes patterns, not individual words. Practice. Listen to a short sentence. Then explain the idea using your own words. Even if it is simpler, you are training meaning, not memory. A learner named Sarah listened to short daily news clips. She didn't translate them. She summarized them in one sentence aloud. After some time, she stopped building sentences slowly. Ideas started forming instantly. She didn't increase vocabulary first. She increased processing speed. Part 3. Shadowing removes overthinking. Now we do real shadowing. When you shadow, you don't wait. You don't prepare. You follow immediately. Your mouth moves at the same time your ears receive sound. This connects two systems in your brain: understanding and speaking. At first it feels messy. That is normal. Your brain is synchronizing. A mechanic named Victor practiced with short dialogues during his commute. He repeated everything while walking. After weeks, he noticed something strange. During conversations, sentences appeared automatically. He wasn't translating anymore. Shadowing doesn't teach rules, it builds reflexes. So repeat with me. Stay close to the sound. Keep going even if you miss words. Flow matters more than accuracy. Part 4. Repetition creates automatic answers. Fluency is memory under pressure. You cannot build sentences slowly in real conversations. You need prepared pathways. Choose everyday phrases. I see what you mean. That makes sense. Give me a second. Repeat them several times daily, not loudly once, softly many times. Your brain stores frequent patterns as single units. A traveler named Lena practiced restaurant phrases for 2 weeks. When she finally ordered abroad, she didn't think. Her mouth already knew the route. Repetition turns effort into instinct. Part 5. Remove the fear of mistakes. Mistakes feel dangerous because language is social, but communication only needs understanding, not perfection. If the message arrives, the mission succeeded. Try this rule. Never stop mid-sentence to fix yourself. Finish first. Improve later. When you stop constantly, your brain associates speaking with tension. When you continue, your brain associates speaking with flow. A gamer named Leo spoke daily with international players. He made errors constantly, but never paused to repair them. Within months, his speech became smooth, not because he avoided mistakes, because he survived them. Practice moment. Now repeat after me naturally. I don't need perfect English to speak. I just need to continue talking. Every sentence makes me faster. Again. Feel the rhythm, not the grammar. Final message today: you trained reaction instead of knowledge. You spoke before planning. You listened with attention. You repeated with movement. This is how fear disappears, not by thinking, but by experiencing. Return to this practice often. Each repetition reduces hesitation. Each session strengthens your voice. Fluency is not a sudden change. It is many small, comfortable moments added together. Keep showing up. Keep speaking. Your brain is learning faster than you feel. See you in the next practice.